next thing you're going to look at will be whether it's a much. Alright, that's the hose here. Run the hose. For those of you in my class, numbers that we're going to be looking at, the information across the top, we're going to be looking at the electric salinity and parts per thousand. That's number.
Guys on the side can kind of watch. Going lower. Good to go, right there. Really close, do you see? Look, oh, it's so close!
That was close!
What did we hit it?
Oh! That's big! It's coming, dude. We're going straight. Look. Get it. Oh my god.
See it under the water? You see under the water?
No, I
Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh, that's crazy.
Oh my god. Timmy, you're drinking.
Right, exactly. So happy. Not happy. I don't even need to play anymore. I'm fine.
Dude, did you see that?
Wow, look at this. This is a box bridge. That's algae. That's brown algae, green algae, this one's brown algae. It's seaweed.
Fairly well protected. Huh? Done with second, yeah.
This is a sea orange right here. Chilling.
Yeah, there's a little white urchin. These are its spines right here. And they've also got 2 feet that they move around with, and they grab a hold of things. That's its mouth, called the Aristotle's lantern. And
Aristotle's lantern.
Yeah, and they breathe through their 2 feet. Arms, they have a sense of sight and smell. And if they lost their arm, they can lose their arms as long as it doesn't go into the disc and regenerate those. So, armored sandstar.
Oh my god, it's moving.
Maybe that star.
Try it. You know it's illegal. Oh my god. Yeah, pass it on. I think some seawater. A starfish or whatever. Brittle. Yeah.
The Seki and Forel Yule here will be the last one of the day. And then one more measurement with the seabirds. And after that, we're going to go see if we can catch some fish.
bottom? That's because if they're above the water, anything that looks up can't see them because they're camouflaged looking up at the sky. If you're looking down, they're camouflaged on top. You see that the eyes are both on top. When they started out as a baby, a small fish, they're on, both on either side, and then this rotates back to this side over here. So it rotates through age.
Dots on the bottom here, those are photophores, those are light emitting organs. So every one of those little dots lights up. It's called bioluminescence. Here's a fish called a long spine combfish. And they curl up like this because that way any angle a predator tries to take a bite out of them, they get a mouthful of spines. Let's see if we can get most of this mud out of here. Here's another neat fish. This guy's called a tisopod that feeds on fish's gills mostly. And you usually find them in lizardfish. Yeah, you got long spine combfish. Midshipman. Here's another flatfish. This guy's called the California halibut.
You get it?
Yeah, you got it.
Here's a dead, you wanted to throw one? Here's a dead lizard fish.